Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's kind of a weird one. It's about 8:30 in the morning. The sun's out, the wind's blowing, and there's snow flying. Not sure you can see this in the camera or not, but looking at the windshields, you can see how froze over it is out there. And yeah, there's snow blowing every direction. It's just a little light stuff, but hopefully it doesn't get too heavy or we'll have a blizzard. You can see it over here a little bit better, the snow blowing. It's about 9:15 or so and it's starting to stick. Well, it's about 9:30 now, and we have full sun, and it is still snowing a little bit. It's still drifting around. Not quite as heavy as it was. Here we are walking in the barn. The ground is really soft. The snow that's came down is melting as it comes down. It was almost white on the ground, and he's melting. There's that pretty rooster the neighbors have that comes to visit my chickens. Well, everybody got fed, and there's the eggs I got today. Only 4, but what's weird is these 2 outer ones, the cleaner 2, are kind of weird shaped, especially that one. So it's like a bullet egg. Over here, Harold's sharing his food. Gotta give him some new water there. He's got hay all in that. Another baby came over to eat. What was that? Something scared my chickens. Yeah, that was kind of weird. Sounded like something was after my chicken, so it must have been on the outside of the pen. Here's a Petunia and one of the babies. We're keeping 2 of these little black piglets from Petunia, but we do have 2 that need new homes, along with all of Penelope's that are outside, which are a little smaller. They're younger. Here are the other piglets that need homes. They're cute. It would look better at your house than mine. Come on, silly dog. It's snowing out here. Let's go in the house and get warm. Come on. Says, where's the golf cart? Yeah, it's trying to stick. The ground's still soft. Still sinking when you walk. Only thing froze out here is my hands. Oh, that heat feels good. Ooh, it is cold. That wind is just kicking. It is very, very cold out here. I don't know if you can hear it in the phone or not. Well, it's been a cold, windy day. Kind of different. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great night. I hope I'm still here in the morning.